So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to implement quarter and weekday function using DAX in Power BI. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. It has columns like order date, category, profit and sales. Now let's say we want to extract quarter and weekday of all the orders from this order date column. In short, we need to create two new columns, each for quarter and weekday. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, first we need to create new column. So for that, right click on your data set and click on new column. And let's give it a name as quarter. Quarter is equal to, and I will use quarter function over here and will pass order date column inside this function and just hit enter. It is taking some time, so we'll have to wait. And as you guys can see, we have successfully created a new column for quarter. And since over here we have order date containing only Jan month, that's why we are getting one quarter for each orders. Let's try it for weekday. So for that, again repeat the same process. Right click on your data set, click on new column. Let's give it a name as weekday is equal to, and we'll use weekday function, and let's pass the order date column inside this and just hit enter. So as you guys can see, we are getting all the weekday values which are basically extracted from this order date. And weekday, it starts from Sunday and it goes till Saturday. So for Sunday it counts as 1, and till Saturday it goes to 7. So in this way we can use quarter and weekday function using DAX in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.